Can I set up multiple fingerprints on the iPhone 13 Pro Max?
Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to set up multiple fingerprints on your iPhone 13 Pro Max. This is a really useful feature that allows you to unlock your iPhone with different fingers, or even allow trusted individuals to unlock your device if needed.
Why would you want to set up multiple fingerprints?
Apple's Touch ID system is designed to be flexible. Not only can it remember and recognize your unique fingerprint, it can remember several. This is especially handy if you want to unlock your phone with either hand, or if you want to give a family member access to your device.
Can I really set up multiple fingerprints?
Yes, absolutely. Your iPhone 13 Pro Max can store up to 5 different fingerprints. This is ideal for those who may want to use more than one finger or share their device with close friends or family members.
How to set up multiple fingerprints?
The process is straightforward and involves few steps. 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. 2. Scroll down and tap Touch ID and passcode. 3. Enter your passcode when prompted. 4. Tap Add a fingerprint under the Fingerprints section. 5. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up a new fingerprint. You'll be asked to place and adjust your finger on the Home button several times. 6. Once you've successfully set up the new fingerprint, give it a name that you'll remember. 7. If you want to add more, just repeat these steps.
How to use the multiple fingerprints feature?
Once the fingerprints are set up, you can use any of the registered fingerprints to unlock your iPhone 13 Pro Max. Simply place the finger on the Home button and your iPhone will be unlocked if it recognizes the fingerprint. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to set up multiple fingerprints on your iPhone 13 Pro Max. It's simple, convenient, and it adds an extra layer of flexibility to your iPhone security. As always, thanks for watching and make the most out of your iPhone.